Richard Kwame Sepe as a member-elect for Anglo Constituency for.
Fusimen, presidential. B. Presidential NPP 1-2, GCPP 0, GFP 0, GUM 0, LPG 0.
NPP had 3,028 votes. GCPP had 18 votes. GFP 0. GUM 11 votes. LPG Richard Kwame Sepe as a member-elect for Anglo Constituency for.
Bamajoma dakpena mawu be olamre te vada snafifia le nyata famaya no vi onyo matonu garama ye onya za doma don le fanya anya kobanya anya usa fanya ta ayi kana nyada to odaje shamba manya makonya manya yo chan atoman kota chan ta oye ba mo do cho nya fo mo do nyaoji akoji nyaoji suku nyaoji do nyaoji odaje shi ni ma wala ba no ma yen ma ba ko glono je banto ta onya ba mo gare ta manya mare ka ba matachi aga akunure yonu aga hanu mi vena yo aye mawe ba ango to ko na chireji nya gbodo jere ba kakaka gbana wonu ko ogloba ya president to be nanya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama plus suba new ka tarunam ko enya miato ashima kla kuma to mo nya ya pa si defense nya ya na nya o la he una mi ko ka fa ba nya dang to nya ba amaya yo cha abu yo nu baba na glo sukunya ko jinya klo to ya NGC kama om yo woni ha na ga to kata akanu ni ji wona mi kunwa enya amawo matoshi ye na ba fota na mi kla kata to mi kwase ko at least ha barea na ganya fishi ha ba o de ba ha bare e da na vana mi ya to pa ma shia ma nya ba ya fa economy agla afi gbona ye na ma kan ha ma chi o pa ganya ame o kana o do pressure sura ta ko wo o pa ga wala nyanu aba ma aba du ko na ya ka ma ta gwa lo pa nya pa former president ki aba ganya president fia ale o ganya ji poge alaba bilami ba ye ma minister o chaga zan na ma ka ha ale o lo ga gbogbo ba ko presidency ya ko o banya agba anu to koja ye mo gana na ma adaje shaba amaro gana ga ro ko o ro foranu alwe ta ye gamoto ga agbinami na gamoto gbo makarji no ba mianda da fa jodopi no no nya awu gara nami no kulaja dokula ya la jifia nana akufo ado agloba dara manya ba nblani popo na mata yo ima baga do gbana aro ba po nya vio ke aro ya me chi ara po ike bia fia ba mashia majina ba ya hafia ame ko fu na ya ya wona na no na ko ya po resota to gba ba tanata lo aro ma sogbo fun ha e mi po asogbo nto alaba acha abi to po 5,000 votes ka ka fi ara ko ba wala around 4,000 aro ko ri na ma ko ha mi ata mi gala almost 36,000 ko ina tana ko soranu la gana kata godo ba mana ko ba adami wana party ya ane pa jiru ro ala ba mi ko mi atagoma majoma karajina anya so ba to nya pa ngolon tomato ba akwa mi dafia manya onya ba ngo akokunya ge olaw ala ba afoto adri kamana ma na jimi ojinwo to adara ko ala ba foto de kamana je goma plus ba anura jamu dodora nya to hamara marofu ayo madawo nya me no ko para jiru no aka njojo adagba ukuranya ba mi ovo nya ba me tuzu kwara fi mi ola rafi awo ama how to am fi o ka mo chan party alo aka lui ka da vinami aba ama wona ya panya glomela ya poso hi ko do wori ama pamapo ama onye na ne ka magbagba jamba matosilanu ye so takula ya pa duklola ai ka nyomo po na baba apa visionado ta ma da ba all in all makari ba miega ye majwa ji chomi ya do la wa shiba mi o ha mi ta paudam ku hi o ta pa mi o pom ya pa suku vi o pon mo onwo ji ha ayagba la suku gara ayi o ko be ni cho na mi to fia be pe ga ponu mo abidamo ko lo vi onu obodo kapasi na ari bobo tan mo kata ya ko gbo na mi avi o ko jina ajama ta magloko ba yo ha mi akpasira nu nya na fi o ka angoro mi mi aglenya no tram na fi o la ba mi ahanya ra mu nya le aro fofotara la nyawe manya ba mo jiko ko akara bi proptam ye nya mo mo e mebo adonasi alo dona ora chomo kan yewe alo akpana. I realized there were a few challenges with the machine, but if it's done and one or two trials it's not true, what they used to do is they will use the camera to give you that sort of facial verification, which I think so far what I saw and I went through myself. I pray that the machine will behave in quotes and we'll all have the peace. That's what we are praying for. Percentage, the last one, for not even the percentage, in the absolute figures, I had 38,822, and my flag bearer had 38,844, difference 22. Now that we had about 60,000 on roll, let's assume that 3,000 people passed on to glory. I'm hoping that MPP party, which had about 5,000 for the parliamentary and about 4,800 for the presidential. My thinking is that I should be able to reduce that sort of impact. I don't want to project anything in terms of percentage, but I am thinking I have to, that my party, that's the presidential, we have to hit around 46,000, from 38,000 to 46,000 and counting. And myself too, if nothing at all, I'm thinking of about 36,000, 46,000 as well. Though my intels on the ground will show that former President John Dramani Mahama's vote is likely to go a niche higher than my good self, which I'm happy for, because we are living amongst the people. So in one way or the other, some may be envious about you, some may be passing some comments and a whole lot. And you might knowingly or unknowingly step on one or two toes. So that might cause some kind of disagreement. But generally, I think we will land very well. The day is still young, but I know the money shows the day. So we'll go over, and by the end of the day, we'll give a very good resounding victory to the good people of Anglo. Yes.